Welcome back. Well, it's really quiet for the equity market, so let's get a quick handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha is here. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Well, let me add some cheer to your mornings, and I'm talking about coffee prices, which have declined to nearly 16 months in the international markets there. And these are both the varieties. And in the last 1 month, we've seen 22% of a decline in Arabica prices, and 15% down is how Robusta is trading at right now. Prices have eased because of various reasons here. One, the weather really seems to be getting better in the producing countries. The new harvest season has started, so this is arrivals as well coming into the market. And Brazil, which produces 40% of the global Arabica, is also looking at a higher crop this time around. On a year-on-year basis, they're looking at a crop up by nearly 10%. So a near record crop in 2023 could be coming in from Brazil there. Also, there are fears of recession. High coffee prices have led to weakening demand in Europe and many parts of Asia, and that's weighing onto the prices as well. There also is a report from USDA which is suggesting a higher crop, inventories, and an opening stock when it comes to coffee. So they're looking at production up by 4.7% in this year, and the ending stock up by 6.3%. So there is enough availability of coffee in the global markets as well. Also, when you look at the ICE warehouses, we have seen inventories gain up there as well. We were trading at a 23-year lows in sense of inventories there, but they have now increased to 380,000 bags. We also do understand via reports that there is another 160,000 bags waiting to be certified. Once this comes into the warehouses, you would see an increase in inventories. And there's another 1 lakh bags headed to the warehouses as per various reports. So that inventory also seems to be increasing as the coffee prices are declining in the global markets. A lot of coffee is rushing into exchanges, and that is clear from here. In the Indian markets as well, Karnataka is a major producer of coffee, and we have seen prices decline by 15% in the last 1 month itself. We did see prices at almost 17,000 rupees per 50 kg bag. That is now currently come down to 14,000. So decline here as well as the arrival is coming into the markets. So if you thought the coffee is getting cheaper for you, that perhaps may not be the case, because there is no respite in the retail markets there. In last 12 months, we've seen the retail coffee prices at the grocery stores, hypermarkets, etc. gained up by 14.8%. There are reports also suggesting that Starbucks coffee prices have increased by 6% in this year alone. So while the wholesale coffee prices may be declining, retail clearly not easing.
Okay, well, good news for all the coffee drinkers, especially coffee drinkers like me. Thanks a lot for cheering up our morning. But let's go to Vivek now. He's tracking Nykaa and the block deal there. Vivek, over to you.
Well, that's right. So Nykaa has seen quite a bit of a sharp reversal, given the fact that earlier in the morning we